Hi guys, my name is Josh from jpgautomation.com, and this is just a quick overview of File Explorer, an add-on that I made for Winscript, a Windows auto hotkey script launcher that I made a little while ago. Basically, I've noticed that I only really use a couple of my folders at any one time. And I know that Windows has this favorites thing up here, which I use occasionally, but I just don't like it. So I've made this program. um, Basically, once you've added it to Winscript, it just replaces the Windows key plus E shortcut, which normally brings up Explorer. So instead of bringing up Explorer, it'll bring up a list of drives that you've got. So I've got C and D drive on this computer, and a list of recently accessed files and folders that you navigate to. So basically you use the keyboard to navigate. So I'll just go to C drive, I don't know, programming, some of my projects. I often use Winscript, for example. So that's a folder that I go to all the time. So I've just navigated to that using the keyboard. To get rid of this display, I click or press escape, and it just gets rid of it. But you'll find that it has now saved this C drive programming project's Winscript as a recently accessed folder. And I just have to type Winscript, use tab to get to it, and it'll open up Explorer straight in it. It's not terribly exciting, but it's really useful. If you start using it, you won't stop. So some other shortcuts that you'll need to know. So let's just say I go to File Explorer. If I actually want to go back, I hit the backslash key. It goes up from C drive programming projects, File Explorer, C drive programming, C drive, and back to the list of recently used files and folders. Alt and C at the same time will close all of the Open Explorer windows. If you want to just say I no longer use File Explorer, you hit delete. That'll get rid of that recently used shortcut. Shift delete gets rid of all of them. And just say, I don't know, you want to actually run something. So you can go to D drive, music. You can hit caps lock and F at the same time, and that'll go to file mode. And a bit of Freddy Astaire. Just hit enter, and that'll actually run the file. And that will also add that file to the recently used list. So tab also scrolls through, and shift tab scrolls the other way through the recently used files and folders. That's about it. So I hope you find it useful, and keep tuned.